Very tall, he's covering the light.
Launched a new product which is Elevate. If you have any questions, anything which we have already present brief about the product. If you have any doubt, any question, feel free to please ask about the product. This is a first of its kind product which we have launched for health customers in India. This product is designed which has a unique features which are there which primarily takes care of the basic need of any customer. This product is designed keeping one phenomenon in feature in mind, that there are various type of customers in the market, and everyone requires a product which suits him and has to be very unique or personalized in nature. We have designed this product which is purely customizable. You can design, customize as per your need, and it is backed by artificial intelligence also. More importantly, it has got many unique features which are industry first, which is there not there in the industry as a whole. We have introduced a new add-on cover which is there in this product, which is Infinite Care. It says that in the lifetime of the policy, one claim of unlimited amount can be taken by any customer, which is not there, unheard of in the industry itself. Just like cumulative bonus, which is also an add-on cover which can be bought as per the need of the customer, which says that every year 100% bonus will be given to the customer, and this can go up to unlimited times.
అంటే ఒక ఇన్సూరెన్స్ ఇండస్ట్రీలో ఇట్లాంటి ఫీచర్లతోటి ఇది ఫస్ట్ ప్రోడక్ట్, ఇప్పటివరకు ఎవరు లాంచ్ చేయలేదు. మన ఇంతకుముందు మాట్లాడుకున్న ఫీచర్లు ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో ఇన్ఫైనైట్ సమ్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ అని చెప్పి మాట్లాడుకున్నాగా, సో ఇప్పటివరకు అసలు ఇన్సూరెన్స్ ఇండస్ట్రీలో ఎవరు లాంచ్ చేయని ఫీచర్ మనం లాంచ్ చేసాము. ఇక్కడ కస్టమర్కి 10 లక్షలు, 20 లక్షలు, 30 లక్షలు, ₹1 కోటి అనే సమ్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ కాకుండా ఇన్ఫైనైట్ సమ్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ మనం ఆఫర్ చేస్తున్నాము.